Is your search bar not working in the Windows Settings app? Then in this video tutorial, we are putting together a list of fixes you can try when search bar is not working in Windows 11 Settings application. Firstly, a restart can fix many issues that are plugging your system. When you restart your PC, you're essentially instructing it to start with a new clean slate, leaving behind issues that might be causing the trouble. But if that did not work, try installing all latest updates. Do that by opening Settings, go to Windows Update, select Check for Updates, and then wait for the process to be completed and download all necessary updates. Moreover, run the Search and Indexing Troubleshooter. To do so, open Settings, go to Troubleshoot, select Other Troubleshooters, scroll down until you find Search and Indexing, click Run beside it, and then the troubleshooter will look for the root cause of the issue and offer you solutions. Now, follow the fixes it recommends and see if the problem is gone. Now that's what you should do if the search bar in Windows 11 Settings application is not working on your Windows computer.
If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.